Hi Como students, this is Miss Mund. Today I'm going to give you a brief introduction to Destiny Discover, which is a tool that helps us discover which books are in the library. To get to Destiny Discover, simply go up here and type in mylibrary.spps.org. Once you've done that, click on Como Park High School because that's the library we want to search. And then next click on Login. Fill in your Active Directory information. Remember that's S and your student number and your password that goes with it, and then click on Login. If you've logged in, click on Catalog, and that will bring you here. Right now, Library Search is the default, but soon it's going to be changing over to Destiny Discover. Until it does, you're going to have to click on Destiny Discover, and that will bring you to this page. So, one of the nice things that it does is it shows you which books were recently added. Well, I should say it shows you the last 15 books that were recently added. I added 100 a week or two ago, and it's only going to show you the last 15, but you can see that. Click here to see more. Another thing it will show you is the 10 most popular titles in the library. It gives you the option to search by genre, so if you like fantasy and you want a fantasy book, click on that and you'll get a list of fantasy. You can get mystery, romance, historical fiction, urban fiction, etc. Let's say you're looking for something to read on your iPad. Here are our ebooks, and you can click on See All 273 and get a large list of them. Another thing I want you to notice is that it tells you if the book is out or in. Now let's say I want this book that's out, and there's every time I come to the library it's out. So what I can do is I can click on this book and I can place a hold simply by clicking on hold. And once that book comes in, I will be contacted, and then all I have to do is stop down in the library and pick it up. Say I'm looking for a particular book. I can go up here to the search bar and I can type in the title that I'm looking for and click return, and there it shows me that we do indeed have the book and it's in. But that's great, but if I want to find it on the shelf, I need to scroll down a little and get some very important information, and that is the call number right here. It tells me that this is in the fiction section, and GRE are the first three letters of that author's last name, which is Green. I often write down the entire last name and not just the first three letters, because I could get over there and there could be a lot of authors whose last name starts with GRE, and it just shortens my search by writing the entire last name down. Now, I can also find some information out about this book by clicking on the title, and it will give me a very short summary of what the book is about. It will tell me the Lexile level. If I click on additional information, it will tell me how many pages the book is. This is 318 pages. It will tell me who it's been reviewed by, and a lot of other information. Now I'm just going to use the back button to navigate back to the original page. Sometimes you'll find back at the top or the bottom of the page, and sometimes I find that I just have to use the back button here. So that is Destiny Discover in a nutshell. I want to show you one more thing about this. If you click on these little lines right here, it gives you a menu, and if you click on checkouts, you can find out which books you currently have checked out. So that's a little added bonus. You don't have to go out of that program to find out what you have checked out. Well, I'm hoping you will get online and discover Destiny Discover and discover some good books in the library. Thanks for taking the time to watch this little video.